Video got cut. I'm going to upload this in two parts. So, anyways, so this is kind of like the this is the prototype kind of taken out of the box, the cardboard box. The first video that I uploaded on my YouTube video, that was that, but so this was the inside of it. Um, and then this thing, it turns on or off the foot pedal. So really, this is all there is to it. You can see, um, and as soon as it disconnects one of the wires, it turns off. You see now it's nice and quiet. So this is my Polyweb dispenser prototype. I have a long way to go. So I have to make a wiring diagram, which is just kind of telling you what wire goes with what. Um, and then I have to uh, make a casing for the electronics. On SolidWorks, I can make a casing, um, and then I can 3D print it, and then I can put it in there. Um, Also, I need to figure out. This is down the line. This is more steps. I have to figure out how to cut the polyweb. What is polyweb? Polyweb is this material right here. A lot of manufacturing companies use this material called polyweb, because it's very stretchy, and you can use it to protect a lot of things. Like you envelop the thing in the polyweb. Anyways, so this is the function of the prototype, where it's supposed to um, dispense this. That's what's called a polyweb dispenser. Without hands-free polyweb dispenser, so the technicians don't have to. It saves the technicians and material inspectors, saves them a lot of time. So how did I come up with this invention? I worked for 2.5 years for Taurus Engineering, um, and I was always trying to say like, look, this is wasting. This is we're losing a lot of time, and a lot of inspection time is being lost just by the actual winding of this material, manual winding. So why don't we automate the winding? So that's kind of how it came to be. Um, Now there are some very tricky things down the line, like how do you cut this material? So there's gonna be like some type of cutter, but the thing is that it's very dangerous because you don't want to slice somebody's finger off. So that might be something that I might not implement in the machine, just because it's very dangerous to have a knife, a little guillotine, basically, to cut the thing. It's not a good idea. It's probably scratching that off. So the bird components are done. We purchased all the main components. If I could do it again, I would probably not use this motor. 100 RPM is too slow for my application. I think I said that on my first video. So yeah, that's a little bit of progress of my prototype. As you can see, the motor sounds really cool. Um, I'll work on it. Like I said, next thing I have to work on it is in the next couple of days, the wiring diagram, the electronic enclosure, which is just basically a box, just a fudging box that it fits the cables with holes in it for the knobs and the switch. Nothing too crazy. Um, so yeah, that I'm gonna split this into two parts. Um, how do I feel about the the prototype actually working? Mm, I feel good about it. It's just, to be honest, to have like a fully functional prototype, we're like a year away from that. Eh, it depends how hard I work on it, but probably we're like a long time away from completion of the project. Just because I have a lot of other stuff going on, like I'm studying really hard for my CSWA certification for SolidWorks, and like I said, I reapplied to amazing engineering jobs. I applied to Lisi Aerospace. I applied to Machina Robotics. I applied to some junior engineering, drywall engineer, some bullshit, or just applied to different jobs. So I have to write my cover letters, have to work on my resumes, and all while studying for my CSWA examination. And on top of that, I have my day job. I have some other jobs that I do for a living. So, and then the gym. So I try to find time whenever I can. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much an update about the prototype. Have a good 4th of this January. Bye.